In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Windows 10 computer. Ensuring you have a backup of your files is crucial for maintaining the integrity and security of your data. Let's go through this process step by step to make sure your important documents are safely stored. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the Start menu, which is your central hub for navigating Windows. Once the Start menu is open, you'll want to type in the word Backup into the search bar. This will help you quickly locate the backup related settings without digging through menus. When you see the Backup settings option appear in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window dedicated to managing backup options for your computer. Here, you'll have various configurations to ensure your files are kept safe. Within the backup settings, you'll notice an option to sign into OneDrive. Click on this link. OneDrive is a cloud service provided by Microsoft, allowing you to store files securely online, making them accessible from any device with an internet connection. By utilizing OneDrive for backups, you ensure your files are not just on your local computer, but also safely stored online. Next, you'll need to type in your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Microsoft account. Once you've entered your email, click on Sign In and proceed to authenticate your account. Authenticating may involve entering your password or going through two-factor authentication if you have it set up. This step is crucial for verifying that you are the rightful owner of the account and ensuring your data's security. Once you've successfully signed in, locate and click the plus icon. This icon allows you to add a new drive for backing up your data. You'll want to add a drive associated with your OneDrive account. This is an essential step because it links your local files to your cloud storage, ensuring they are safely duplicated in OneDrive. And with those steps, you've effectively set up your computer to back up using Windows 10's built-in tools and OneDrive. Remember, periodically check your backup settings and confirm that your most critical files are all accounted for. Keeping your backup system up to date is a fundamental part of data management and security. Whether you're working on important documents for work or school, or just want to safeguard personal files, having a reliable backup in place is always a wise decision. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide on backing up your Windows 10 computer was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials and tips.